Let's return to copper. Yours truly, Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin, and we are on the elements of the periodic table. We have completed the first 20, and we are choosing specialized elements. Some of them are very common in nature, and we are at copper at this moment. From a card, copper 2963.546. And let's continue here. Let's see what we have here for copper. We said the +2 oxidation state is most common. So that's Cu2 plus. And it is found as a metal with blue hydrated CuH2O4 bracket 4 2 plus. I think we usually have copper sulfate as with 5 water of crystallization from my memory, but we have here this hydrated iron with Cu bracket H2O subscript 4 2 plus. And copper 2 iron reacts with stoichiometric quantities of aqueous copper and ammonia, aqueous ammonia, to form copper hydroxide 2, CuOH bracket 2. So it reacts with aqueous ammonia, that is ammonia in solution, not the gas, but ammonia in solution, to form copper hydroxide. The copper dissolved in hot concentrated sulfuric acid to form solution of containing the copper liquid ion together with hydrogen gas. The copper liquid is present as in complex ion CuOH2 bracket 6 total bracket 2 plus. Copper melt also and dissolve in dilute nitric acid. So copper metal also will dissolve in dilute nitric acid, HNO3. And heated copper reacts with oxygen to form the black copper oxide, and the copper oxide reacts with the hydrogen gas to form copper, metal, and water. So this is a way to get the element copper by this reaction. We have copper oxide plus hydrogen give you the copper as a metal plus water. And we must remember gold is the only metal that there's no way to sort of have in gold as a product from combining with other metals or elements or reaction. And copper plus hydrochloric acid, no reaction. So there we have it for the one, it was some doubt about it around here. to give you copper chloride, I believe. So no, here we have it, that there's no reaction with copper plus hydrochloric acid. And we have some agent that will dissolve copper here. 1-methyl 2 pyro, what's this one? Anisole methyl. We know chloroform will dissolve copper, as well as acetone, and those are well known. Dimethyl acetaamide. So chloroform, acetone, and dimethyl acetaamide, and 1-methyl 2 pyro diamine, and anisole. Well, these are some long names, and they're not punctuated properly, so I will not really call them. But we know of these popular ones: acetone, chloroform, and dimethyl acetaamide, that will dissolve copper. Now, using bleach on metals such as copper will cause a discoloration and corrosion. So that's if you use bleach on copper. Now, copper reacts with dilute nitric acid to form copper nitrate, and that's a Cu plus HNO3 give you copper nitrate plus nitrous oxide plus water. So 4 copper plus oxygen give you 2 copper oxide, that is 2 Cu subscript 2O, which is a solid, and copper solid plus iron, or F2, that is fluorine, give you cuprous fluoride, which is white, CuF2, and copper solid plus chlorine give you copper chloride plus, which is a yellowish solid, and copper plus bromine will give you copper bromide, which is black. So there you have some basic reaction of copper, and some chemical that will dissolve copper. And this is just the basic sort for copper. Atomic number 29, atomic mass 63.55, and electronics configuration 3d104s1.